Hello, Burna Kenshin here. Welcome to my Demon Slayer Tanjiro wig tutorial. Link to this wig will be in the description below. This is a wig from Amazon, so it's not the best quality, but it's heat resistant and easy to work with. Surprisingly, this wig is decent quality, coming with many layers to work with for styling, which saves time from having to cut layers yourself. First thing you'll need is a steamer to fluff out the wig fibers. If you don't own a steamer, you can use a water bottle and a hairdryer. Using the steamer, I'm fluffing out the wig fibers so they'll be easier to spike. I brush the wig fibers upward using the steamer. Holding the wig upside down really helps the wig fibers form upward. Once you've steamed your wig and you're satisfied with the fluffiness, you're going to section out the layers for spiking. I'm using alligator clips to hold the sections of hair I will be spiking. After looking at several reference pics of Tanjiro, he has many flowing layers in his hair, so I'm going to section off as many layers as I can. Some layers will look too long, so I like to trim them, but that's a personal preference if you'd like to leave the spikes long or short. Then I take some gel and form spikes with the gel from the sections of hair I created. That's it for my Tanjiro Demon Slayer wig tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful for your Tanjiro cosplay. Let me know what characters you'd like to see next in the comments down below. And if you're new to my channel and enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, BK out.